Welcome to the PortalConnect online training tutorial of how to manage your profile and account security. The information you will see in this video is purely fictitious and used for training purposes only. If you would like to view your profile, please select your name on the top right-hand side where your display picture is. This will open a side menu of options. In the Profile section, you can modify your account information, occupation, and emergency information. Once you're done modifying the section, please select the blue Save button that will appear when any changes are made. In your profile, you can also select the blue link at the top that says Consents and state whether you would like to provide access to your medication history to your doctor. This also applies with your immunization registries. If you would like to modify your PortalConnect account's secret question, or you would like to reset your current password, please select your name on the top right-hand side and select Account from the side menu. You have the option to view or modify your secret question and secret answer on your Account section. If you would like to reset your password, you can do this by selecting the blue link Change Password. This will display the requirements for your password and will ask you to type in your current password and your new password twice. Once finished, please select the blue Save button. If your password was not successfully saved, it may be because you have already used this password previously before. Please ensure your password is changed twice before resetting your password to your original password that was created. If you are managing multiple accounts and the participant's information is shared with you, to switch linked accounts, please select your name on the top right-hand side of the screen. Once selected, a side menu will appear and allow you to switch participants' accounts by clicking on the participant's name displayed at the bottom. If you do not see the account displayed in the side menu, please contact your provider to ensure the account access has been shared with you. That concludes our training tutorial on how to manage your profile and account security.